Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This video is an unboxing of the Scrap Diva Designs October 2024 release. Thank you, Erica, for sending me these wonderful dies. I am looking forward to creating some fun projects to share with all of you. You can find these dies at scrapdivadesigns.com starting October 5th, 2024, and you could use a discount code PRISMATIC10 for 10% off your entire order. All the details will be listed in the description box below. Let's get started. First, we have this fall stamp set. There's, let's see, there's about 10 phrases here. It says, hello pumpkin, welcome fall, pumpkin spice everything, sweater weather, grateful blessed, fall vibes, hello fall, autumn vibes, farm fresh pumpkins. It's really giving me these fall vibes. And I love how it's decorated with these little tiny maple leaves and pumpkins and little hearts all around the words. And next up we have these Victorian frames, and it's layered. We have the lacing at the top, and you can put it on this part here, which could be a different color, so it'll show through these holes. And I love how it's sort of small, so you can put your portraits in here, or pictures of animals. And it's so great. I just love this frame, and this frame measures approximately 3 1/8 inch wide by 2 5/6 inch high. Here we have these fantasy flower, and there's 3 sets in here, a large, medium, and a small. And I really love how each size has its own plate. So this one that you're seeing here is the large size, and the large size measures about 1.5 inches in diameter, the flower here, as you can see. And the medium and the small ones at the back, and they each have their own plate as well. So the medium measures about 1 5/16 inch, and the small one measures about 7 7/8 inch. Next up, we have these thankful words number 2. The front will have this thankful and also blessed. The thankful measures 5 3/8 inch, and the blessed measures 5 1/4 inch. And on the back is the word grateful, and that one measures 5 3/8 inch, and it's really pretty. It has these scrolls at the front and the end, and it's very beautiful writing for the words here. And next we have this pumpkin mini album number 2. It's really cute. It has all these layering pieces, such as this the pumpkin stem, 2 spiders, and these little curly cues for the leaves, the stems that dried up, and then the mouth and 2 eyes for the pumpkin. You can make it with a face, or you can choose not to. And I love how it's stitched at the sides here. And yeah, and it measures 5.5 inches wide by 5 3/8 inch high. And here we have an Acorn mini album. It includes the words hello and fall, and each has its own shadow behind the word, and as well as these beautiful decorative leaves. It's really beautiful. And on the acorn, the top of the acorn, it will also include some kind of textured patterned top for the acorn, and that template is at the back. And this acorn measures 5 inches wide by 7 inches high. And here we have the shaker bow set number 1. It's so unique. I've never seen a shaker bow. So it comes in a large and a small. The small one measures approximately, let's see here, 2 9/16 inch wide by 3 inches high, and the large one is measuring 3 1/16 inch wide by 3 3/4 inches high. Super beautiful and pretty. And next up we have this Memorydex Pocket Set, and I really love making Memorydex sets, so I'm really looking forward to making something out of this. And this one has a card that you can slip in through this pocket, and it's scalloped. It has an arc for the card that could slip into here, and also the base of the Memorydex where you can glue this pocket onto the base. So that's what you'll be getting, and it's super cute. And this Memorydex Pocket Set measures approximately 4 1/8 inch wide by 3 5/6 inch high. Next up we have this Hedgehog mini album. I think it's super cute. Yeah, it's just like a very adorable. It has a bow here and a heart. It can hold a heart, and this measures approximately 5 6/8 inch wide by 5 5 inch high. 5.5 inch high. And next up, you're gonna see here is the Acorn Shaker Set. It comes in a small, medium, and large size. It's super cute because it's a shaker. I love making shakers, and also it could go with this hedgehog. It could also hold these acorns, and I think that's super cute too. And the sizes for these is approximately, for the large one, it's approximately 2 1/4 inches wide by 3 inches high. The medium one measures approximately 1 7/8 inch wide by 2.5 inches high, and the small one measures approximately 1.5 inches wide by 2 inches high. Next up, we have this fall jelly tote. It's super cute. It has these 2 acorn labels that you can hang on off of this jelly tote. Pretty. It's very pretty. And the patterns for the jelly tote are these really cute little acorns. And wouldn't it be cute to like hold your fall projects in here? It's so neat. I'm wondering if the hedgehog will fit in here. Yeah, it's totally so cute. Yes. And it measures, this jelly tote measures 6 1/8 inch wide by 5 3/16 inch high. Next up, we have these door tags in small, medium, and large. And I think these are really cute because you can make it clear and put some scenery in the back here, and maybe you can have the door open and close with this tag. We'll see how it works, and it's super cute. You can have like pots, plants, animals, anything around the store. So the small one measures about 1 13/16 inch wide by 2 7/8 inch high. This one is the medium one. It measures approximately 2 1/4 inches wide by 3 9/16 inch high. This door tag large measures 2 5/8 inch wide by 4 3/6 inches high. Next up, we have this really interesting double layer rosette, and it's the first time I've ever seen a double layered, and I was kind of curious about how it looks, so here's my version. You could probably make it into like many different ways, but here's what I came up with so far. Um, yeah, isn't this so cool? You could also make these go up higher a bit, or you can also put it in the back like this. If you flip it over, it looks like this. If you put it in the back, you can make it extend more too. I'm not sure, maybe you could even fill it up with this on this side too, so that it'll look like even super layered. I'm not quite sure, but this is what I came out with. And yeah, I can start decorating them whichever way you like. And this is how it looks. Yeah, super cute. And this one, it turned out to be the size and diameter is 2.5 inches, but it could expand this rosette. So yeah, if you make it loosely while you put these are from my stash, you could put whatever on here and hot glue it on to make the rosette stable. So yeah, it's just really cute, and it comes in a large and a small, as you can see here. So this one I made it from here, and it comes with two more plates at the back that you see. It's showing this kind of glittery one is the one at the back, and the front is this part here. I cut it out twice for both, and that's how I made it. And I'll probably come out with a tutorial if you're interested, and it'll come out soon. So I'm gonna make a tutorial. And let's see, I didn't measure the size for the large yet, but it's probably going to be in the tutorial. Yeah. And finally, we have this A2 card box add-on. So it's an add-on. We had a A2 card box last year, so this is so perfect for this fall season with these wonderful branches and leaves. And yeah, it looks like there's some additional branches and leaves in the middle here where you can layer it and make it pop up a bit, and it's so wonderful. Like, put many different images, scenery, like a pumpkin patch. I'm thinking like a forest, you know. It's really cute with all the animals like fox and hedgehogs. Anything, it's just so cute. And this measures like 4 5/8 inch by 6 inches high, so the width is 4 5/8 inch. Yes, isn't this so beautiful? And that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will put my discount code PRSCHEMIC10 in the details, as well as all the links. I will update it once it becomes available on October 5th. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo!